Did you know that one small electronic module in your car could be the difference between a safe stop and a deadly accident? That's the ABS module. Have you ever wondered why your car doesn't skid out of control when you slam on the brakes? That's all thanks to the ABS module. In this video, we're diving deep into what the ABS module is, why it's so important, its functions, common problems it develops, and the best solutions to keep your car safe on the road. Welcome back to the channel. So let's dive in. What is ABS module? ABS stands for Anti-Lock Braking System. The ABS module is an electronic control unit that works with your car's brakes. Its job is simple but life-saving. Its main role is to prevent your wheels from locking up when you slam the brakes, especially on wet or slippery roads. It uses sensors at each wheel to monitor wheel speed, and if it detects lockup, it reduces brake pressure for a split second, allowing the wheels to keep rotating. This helps you maintain steering control while braking. Example, without ABS, if you brake hard on a rainy road, your wheels could lock and you'd skid uncontrollably. With ABS, the system pumps the brakes automatically faster than any human foot can, preventing that dangerous skid. Why is the ABS module important? Safety. It prevents accidents by keeping control of the car. Stability. Works with traction control and stability systems. Confidence. Drivers can brake harder in emergencies without fear of losing control. Legal. In many countries, ABS is now mandatory in modern vehicles. Functions of the ABS Module 1. Wheel speed monitoring. Constantly checks each wheel. 2. Brake pressure control. Reduces or increases pressure to avoid lockup. 3. Communication with ECU. Works with engine and transmission systems. 4. Integration with traction control and stability control. ABS is the brain behind other safety features. Common ABS module faults. ABS warning light on, one of the most common signs. If the ABS light is on, the module may not be communicating properly with the car's computer. Faulty wheel speed sensors, dirt, corrosion, or wiring issues. Since the ABS module relies on wheel sensors, if one fails, it can send false signals. Hydraulic pump failure. Pump may get weak over time, causing uneven brake pressure. Control module electrical issues, water damage, poor soldering, or blown fuses. Corrosion, especially in areas with heavy road salt. Intermittent braking issues. Brake pedal becomes harder or softer than normal. These issues not only reduce safety, but can also affect overall vehicle performance. If your ABS light comes on, it doesn't always mean the entire module is bad. Sometimes it's just a dirty or faulty wheel sensor that needs cleaning or replacement. Now let's talk about how to fix ABS problems, solutions and maintenance tips. Scan with OBD2 tool. Always diagnose before replacing parts. This will pinpoint the faulty component. Check sensors and wiring. Often cheaper than replacing the module. Brake fluid maintenance. Keep fluid clean to avoid pump damage. Rebuild or repair module. Some modules can be repaired instead of replaced. Replacement. If completely dead, replacement may cost $300 to $1,000 depending on vehicle. Clean or replace wheel speed sensors. Dirt or corrosion can cause sensor failure. Cleaning or replacing them usually solves the issue. Regular maintenance. Wash undercarriage, check fuses, and avoid water damage. Remember, never ignore ABS faults. Your safety depends on it. The ABS module is the silent hero in your car's braking system. It may not get the attention of flashy features, but when it comes to safety, it's one of the most important parts of your vehicle. So the next time you see that ABS or TRAC off lights on your dashboard, don't ignore it. It could save your life. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this information.